Ballerina cappuccina, ballerina capo capo.
Yung bagyo?
Mahalaga,
Pwede na, dalhin dito nila. Ano sa cage na lang. Ay, Diyos ko lang naman sa ano yung bagyo.
Labot na labot. Andito po.
Oh, naka-timer ako. What's that, anak? Airplane? Is that airplane? I think that's airplane.
I can't see it.
Yeah, it is airplane. See? Airplane. Do you hear that? It's a big airplane. Late na kami nagising mga shots. Panay tulog kami. Kagabi kasi binawi ko yung tulog ko kasi nga kami nagising. Ayun, alas 10 na. Yan talaga yung aming gisingan. 10 to 11. Kapi-kapi na tayo.
Ayana, help!
Oh, help, baby. Help, Auntie Malia. Help. 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 Grab her hair. Grab her hand.
Bouncy, bouncy, boom. Twenty.
Yes, Anna. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, we will make a video and we're going to prepare our breakfast. Breaky for the babies. And they want some eggs for breakfast and yogurt, right? Ay, this is not good. Bakit ganito yung pagkaluto ng itlog? Ay, be careful. It is hot, Ate Malia. I'll do it. Just put it there. How many eggs do you want?
Two.
Two? Okay. You can have the... Anak, you have to wait. Anak, that's still hot. You can eat the egg yolk because... I told you it's hot. You can eat the egg yolks because Ayana, she doesn't like the egg yolk.
What's the egg yolk?
The egg yolk is the white, the yellow thing inside the eggs. Oh, careful. I'll do it. It's still hot. Still warm.
Done.
Don't touch, anak. It's warm. Ooh. Don't make a noise. Do you want bread on your plate? You too? Okay. We're going to eat outside. Yeah, I think we can eat outside. My coffee is there. Do not touch that one, anak. Which one are you? I'll do it, Ate Malia. No, just one tap.
I know.
You have to be careful. Don't squeeze that much. Like peeling off the skin. Anak, you have to pray. You forgot. Oh, put your hands together. Here, put your hands together and pray. Put your hands together. Lord, thank you for the food. Amen. Okay, let's go eat na. Wow. Here comes the rain. Kain na. What happened? No, but don't wish to have the flood because that's very dangerous.
It is going to flood in the floor. Be careful. Go sit down, Tatay.
Okay.
Hey, I want that pillow. You thought that there's water
Yeah.
in that? There's no water. I want to sit down now. Give me.
Just see this
Ate. Give ate. Maria, give ate. This one? Give ate. Hindi. Ate, Give ate. Ayan niya. Give me ate.
O kaya yan. Pero hindi ko nabuksan yan. Ano, be? Come on, eat. Aljo. No. Eat na. Yeah, very good. Viviana's eating. Umuulan na dito sa amin.
Tastes so yummy.
Which one? The yogurt? Yeah, it's really good, right? Oh, umuulan na.
I like it.
Safe naman yata kami dito. Buti na lang kamo ito, mayroong malaking bahay dito sa tabi namin. Apartment daw ito eh, kila She. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Tapos may ano doon sa kabilang side. Apartment, nakatulong para iano kami i-protect. Tapos dito open lang. Pero mayroon pa rin apartment doon sa likod. So sana okay lang din naman kami, no? Huwag lang sanang magbaha. Kasi safe naman kami dito. How was your breakfast, anak? What happened? It fell down? That's okay, that's okay. Monty can have it. You can get more. Can get more. You want bread? Mama will get bread? Oh, you found it. Okay, eat it. Yeah, yummy. Oh, it's falling down. Yeah, kain kami ng butong at gagawa ako ng lumaw. What happened, baby? Sit down, Chana. I'll do it na, I'll do it. Oh, careful, baby, Ana. Kunin yung marimar. Gawa kami ng lamaw, mga syas. Kanina pa ako nag-video, wala lang palang ano, naipasok. See? Wanna drink? Mami, gawin ko. It's okay, it's okay. Nilatan pa yung spoon. Hindi naman pala nag-video kanina. Ano ba yun na? Oh no, kayo wala man tong laman. Wala man tong laman yung kinuha natin. Ano ba tong lamaw na to? Okay, ayaw. Want to try? Ay, hindi yung marimar. Wala na naman ang laman.
Are they going to drink buko or eat buko?
Klaro. Kuhaan mo ako ng ano na plastic para ilagay ko to doon sa loob. Anak, be careful, anak. Agoy, kaya wala mang laman to. Kuneyo. Plastic. Basurahan ba? Kaya ilagay ko to. Eh, mabigat yan. Diretso doon sa labas. Ba't mo pa ilagay sa loob? Nagat na naman si Tito. Ay. Excited pa naman ako maglumaw kunuhay. Yung pala wala namang laman to. Diyos ko niya, marimar. Zayin ng pera ko. Walang laman. Diyos ko, Lord. Paano tayo maglalamaw nito? Walang laman. May laman konti. Parang ano lang, muta. Kakainis. Sayang ako ng pera ko.
Diana like buko?
Tag 60 pa naman isang buko. Ay, naku. Kain tayo. Nalulungkot. Blue, maingay. Come on. Ina. Yes, anak. Calm down. What's wrong? Wait, mommy. I'm gonna throw this one. Malia, stop it, Malia. Just wait. Hold on. I'm doing here. Ayoko na sa earth. Nagsayang lang tayo ng pera. Wala tayong buko. Calm down, anak. Calm down. Wala tayong buko. Na-prank tayo, na-prank. Ay, nako. Yes, anak. What about? Look at your face. Up, mama will going up. You want to drink? Sabaw lang nakuha namin. Okay, wait na nga. Magulo ang mundong ibabaw. O, drink, mama. We'll drink, mama. You want to eat rice? You want pansit? Okay, let's go. Look, let's go inside. Come on. Go inside. Come on, let's go. Let's make pansit. Come on, magpansit na lang tayo. Tapos yung pansit namin, yung laman, sardinas. Wait na. Wait, baby na. Okay, let's go. Ate Malia, can you bring this one in the sink? Come on, let's go. Kakain ka naman, Malia. Ang aming cook ngayon, pansit niya daw. Ayusin mong masarap yung pansit mo tilat-lat, ha?